In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract contact details from LinkedIn. Whether you're a seasoned LinkedIn user or just getting started, this guide will help you navigate through the platform with ease. First things first, fire up your preferred web browser and head over to linkedin.com. It's a site worth bookmarking if you're not visiting it regularly, given its immense value for professionals across the globe. Once you're there, log into your account. You have multiple options to do this. You can seamlessly log in using Google or Microsoft if your accounts are linked. If not, simply enter your email address and password. Now that you're logged into your account, the next step is to find the LinkedIn profile of the person whose contact details you're interested in. This could be a colleague, someone you recently met at a conference, or perhaps a new potential client. Utilize the search bar at the top of the page, type in their name and simply hit enter. Once you land on their profile page, it's time to delve into finding their contact information. Typically, you'll want to check out the contact info section. It's usually located within the introduction part of their profile. Now, keep in mind that not everyone makes their contact details publicly accessible. Hence, what you'll find in this section may vary. Some people may have shared their email addresses or even phone numbers if their privacy settings allow it. Remember, if you're not finding the information you seek, it might just be hidden due to their privacy preferences. If your objective extends beyond a single contact and you need to export your entire list of LinkedIn connections, LinkedIn offers a convenient feature for downloading this information. To do this, you need to start by clicking on the Me icon located at the top of your page. Once there, navigate down to Settings Privacy. You'll want to click on the Data Privacy section. Under the section How LinkedIn Uses Your Data, look for the option to Get a Copy of Your Data. This feature is particularly useful if you want to keep your contacts organized and easy to access on your own system. Select Connections from the various download options available and proceed by clicking Request Archive. After this, LinkedIn will work on collecting your data. They'll send you an email with a link. Through this link, you can securely download a CSV file containing all your connections details right to your computer. These steps will help you efficiently access and manage contact information from LinkedIn. But remember, while it's tempting to dive in and make use of this data, it's crucial to respect privacy and use the information responsibly.